Fathullah Shirazi, c. 1582, sometimes referred to as Amir Fathullah Shirazi, was a Persian-Indian polymath, a scholar, Islamic jurist, finance minister, mechanical engineer, inventor, mathematician, astronomer, physician, philosopher and artist, who worked for Akbar, ruler of the Mughal Empire. Shirazi was given the title of Azuddudaulah, translated as the arm of the empire. Quote, biography. Amir Fathullah Shirazi was a polymath who worked as an imperial finance minister for Akbar. According to Abul Fazl ibn Mubarak's Akbarnama, when Shirazi died, Akbar mourned his death. Akbar grieved at the departure of this memorial of former sages. He often said that the Mir was his vassal, Indian philosophy, physician, and astronomer, and that no one could understand the amount of his grief for him. Had he fallen into the hands of the Franks, and they had demanded all my treasures in exchange for him, I should gladly have entered into such a profitable traffic, and have bought that precious jewel cheap. Quote, inventions. Among the inventions credited to him was an early anti-infantry volley gun with multiple gun barrels similar to hand cannons. Another cannon-related machine he created could clean 16 gun barrels simultaneously, and was operated by a cow. He also developed a 17-barreled cannon fired with a matchlock. Not all of his creations were intended for warfare. However, he designed a carriage praised by Abul Fazl ibn Mubarak for its comfort. It could also be used to grind corn when not transporting passengers. Notes.